Welcome. This is Piyo Barre. So we're going to start today on our mats. On our mat, pick up a heavier set of weight. So we're going to start focusing on our hips. We're going to go into the core, and we'll also do some shoulders, strengthening and lengthening through our muscles. So we're going to start in some bridges onto your back, holding onto those heavier weights. Bring your feet up as high as comfortably possible, and then bring those weights all the way up above your head. Start lowering the weights down behind your head. Then when you bring them up, lower hips down. Take the hips up, weights go back behind your head, and lower hips down. Feel through the vertebrae. Inhale, weights down. As the hips come up, exhale, lower down. Just kind of warming up through here. We're going to do about 35 more seconds of this. And then we're going to try to do little hops into this to start getting our heart rate up a little bit more. Good, just keep moving with that breath. We have 15 more seconds in this slow motion, lowering down and up as we move the hips with us. Then we're going to keep the weights behind our head. One more time. Next time that those weights stay behind your head, stay here. Do little hops. Little hops with your feet. Push into those shoulders. If you didn't want to hop, you could just lift and lower through the hips. 30 more seconds here. Those calves should be burning. Good, 15 more seconds. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to take the weights out to the side into a T position, lower hips down and up. So it's a fly out with the arms as you lower the hips down and up. Catching your breath. Hopefully you feel a little bit winded after those hops in a good way. Pushing into the heels, feel through the vertebrae, down and up. Good, we have 30 more seconds here. And then we're gonna come back into those hops with the weights just out in that T position. Good, 15 more seconds. Then we're gonna tee those arms and hop it. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2. Try to keep those arms out to a T position and little hops. Little hops. Good, keep teeing out. We have 30 more seconds in these hops. Good, keep going, last 20. Almost there, 10, 9, 8. Keep your pace, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take the weights onto your lap. Lower down and up. Through the hips, push into your heels. Down and up, just one more minute here. And then we're gonna take the weights up and do little scissor stretches as we float the weight up above us. Keep pushing into your heels, feel through your vertebrae as you sink down and up. Just keep going up nice and high every time you come up. 30 more seconds. Good, last 20. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let your hips lower all the way down. Take the weights and the legs straight up. Start lowering the weights back behind your head. Lower your head down just to make sure your neck is protected. Point your toes and scissor. Long legs. Just holding those weights a little bit past your head. If they were to drop, they would not drop on your head. Keep those toes pointed, 30 more seconds. With toes pointed, then we're gonna flex the feet. It should feel like a core workout, but also a little bit of a hamstring stretch also. All right, in 5 seconds, we'll flex. 3, 2, flex your feet, keep going. 30 more seconds. Good, last 20. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, all right, feet back onto the ground. Weights straight up in line with your shoulders. Lift those hips back up. This time lift up just your right heel, just the right heel. We're chest pressing down and up, down and up. Right heel stays lifted. Press into your left heel. Keep squeezing through the glutes. Good. In 10 seconds, we're gonna have the option to lift up that right leg, or you can stay with your heel lifted. It's gonna be option to do a single leg bridge. In 3, 2, if you want, lift up the entire right leg, or you can just keep the right heel lifted. Keep bridging down and up as you chest press. Good, 30 more seconds. Keep pushing into that heel. Almost there, 20 seconds. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both feet back down, lower the weights back onto your hips. We're going back into the bridges. Both feet down, both heels down. Just rest those weights onto your lap. Down and up. Shake your hands out if your hands are a little bit tense from the holding onto the weights. Try to feel your vertebrae as you go down and then pop it up. Slower on the way down, faster on the way up. Good, 30 more seconds and we're coming into the other side. Those glutes should really be fired up by now. This is actually our resting time with having the double leg. Good, in 5 seconds, we're gonna lift up that left heel and come back into our chest presses. 3, 2, and lift up just your left heel. Chest press, down and up, push into your right heel. First 30 seconds, and then we have the option to lift the entire leg. Good, 10 seconds. And then we have that option to lift the entire left leg. In 3, 2, if you want to, lift up the entire left leg. Feel through the vertebrae as you go down. Pushing into that right heel. Just focus on your form, focus on the vertebrae going down. Keeping those arms in line with your shoulders. Get up nice and high. Good, 30 more seconds. Then we're coming back into the double leg bridge with the weights. Nice job, almost there in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set both feet onto the ground. Lower those weights onto your lap. 1 minute, just down and up. Feeling those vertebrae on the way down. Really pushing on the way up. Try to squeeze the whole time. Squeeze through those glutes. We're going to come back into core after this in 45 seconds. Good. 30 more seconds here. Focus. Focus on those vertebrae going down, tucking in that tailbone, pushing through your heels on the way up. Last 15 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and lower all the way down. Take your legs straight up, weights all the way up. This time we're gonna lower just one leg down, let the weights come down and bring it up. Just the other leg down, weights go down behind your head. Keep alternating, right side, left side. Just one leg, point your toes. Move with the breath. Inhaling on the way down, exhaling on the way up. Those toes stay pointed another 20 seconds. Then we're going to flex the feet, but keep the same rhythm of everything else, just with the feet flexed. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, flex your feet. Flex your feet, everything else is the same. Just the feet flex is the difference. Good, last 30 seconds. Those abs should be fired up. Should be feeling a nice stretch through the hamstrings. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rock yourself up. If you want to, you can grab some water. We're going to come to a standing position with our 2 heavier weights. Standing position, hold on to those 2 weights. You could go lighter if you wanted to. We're going to come into a squat down position. Bring it up, then curtsy squat. So it's a squat and then a curtsy squat. As you bicep curl, make sure you have some room. Curtsy squat, squat, other side. It's 1 minute here. Good. Keep breathing, moving through this. 30 more seconds. Take your time. Not about the speed, it's not that form, the focus. All right, in 10 seconds, we're gonna stay to one side in that curtsy. 3, 2, next time you're in a curtsy, whatever side you're on, stay there. Just place your weights on your shoulders, plug into this front foot, and then just little pulses down. Little pulses down. Make sure that knee is pointing in the direction of the toes. Get that knee nice and low, the back knee. 30 more seconds on this side. And we're gonna go right into the other side. Good, keep going. 20 more seconds. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Other side. Go right into it. That leg is all the way out to an angle behind you. 1 minute here. Just little pulses down, as low as you can go. Good, stay nice and low. 40 more seconds. We're gonna stretch after this. 30 seconds to go. Nice and low, stay low, pulse it, almost there. You got this, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, just one weight for this next one. Just one weight and a bar, something to balance onto. So you're gonna stand on your right foot, take your left hand, left ankle, and just hold on to the bar. Take a stretch here. Breathe into it. Now, if you can, hold on to that weight, just one weight. Your arm can stay rested onto your couch or your bar, whatever you have, and little bicep curls as you bring that leg back behind you. Good, keep bringing that leg up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Place your right hand onto the bar, or whatever it is, the couch. Extend that leg out. It's the right leg. Make sure you're holding the weight in your opposite hand. All right, that weight's gonna go all the way down, low past the knee, come up just slightly, fly it out. We're staying with the same foot onto the ground. So it's almost like a one-legged deadlift with a chest fly, but we're staying on to that chair or the bar. 30 more seconds. Good, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, other side. If you don't want to do the bicep curl with the weight, or if it's just not working for the props that you have, just focus on the leg stretch. So this time it's our other leg. Stretch it up, put a slight bend in your supportive leg that's on the ground with the option to go into a bicep curl as you lift up that right leg, or just make sure you're doing your opposite side. 30 more seconds here, and we have the fly out with the dip down. Go ahead, keep that leg up, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Extend that leg, same leg. I need to adjust myself just a little bit. All right, so we have the weight in the opposite hand to leg that's extended. Fly it out, lower down. Come up just about 90-degree angle when you fly out. Squeeze that core the whole time. Thirty more seconds here. Good, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick drink of water. Shake it off, towel off. We're gonna need those 2 lighter weights. If you have them, if you don't have light weights, you can just use your arm weight. We're gonna stay standing. Stay standing. Feet in line with your hips. Circle your arms as you lift up your heels. Circle your arms, whatever way you just naturally start going. Circle, lift up the heels when you lift up your arms. Stretch out your arms as you lift. Good, in 10 seconds, we're gonna reverse the direction of those arm circles. Just big range of motion. 3, 2, and then reverse. Other way, circle. Keep lifting those heels. Good, last 20 seconds. Really reach, extend all the way, even through, I know you're holding the weights, but imagine that your fingers are stretching too, just all the way through those arms. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're gonna do some little jump roping type of hops. So hold on to those weights, but bring those elbows into your ribs. We're starting with feet forward, hop, feet out to the side, hop, feet together. If you don't like hopping, just try to move through the hips and just pretend like you're jump roping with those weights. So you point your toes out, center, and in. And it's just little circles with those elbows tucked into your ribs. Pretend like you have a weighted jump rope and you're doing ballerina feet. Gonna keep going. 30 more seconds. 20. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Quick drink of water, we're gonna take it back to the mat. We're coming onto our side. Hold just one heavy weight, resting your forearm onto the ground. I don't know if I said heavy. I meant lighter, one lighter weight. Take that top leg, hip height. We're gonna circle, let them touch, or let them reach toward each other. Circle, whatever way you start going, we're gonna go both ways. Circle the arm and the leg together. Good. 30 seconds more on this direction. And then we're just gonna switch direction. Really stretching out through the legs, through the arm. Squeezing that core nice and tight. Good, 10 more seconds this way. Remember which way you're going, because we're gonna have to switch directions. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and then go your other way. Good, just keep reaching. You could do this without a weight, without holding onto a weight, and you're still gonna have the arm weight. Just like your leg is probably already getting tired and it's just your leg weight. Good, keep reaching, circling. Almost there, last 20 seconds. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now keep the weight and the leg up by each other. No circles this time, it's just a reach and a lengthen down. A reach and a lengthen. Moving with that breath. Just focusing on that top leg. In 30 seconds, we're gonna try to do double legs, or you can keep with the single leg. Good, stretch, reach. 15 more seconds here, and then we have the option to do the double. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, you can keep doing that, or you can do the double, which will take it a little bit more into the core and less in the hip. Good, 20 more seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come into a side plank. Side plank. Hold the weight up above your head. All right, we're gonna bend the elbow, take the weight behind your head as you lower the hips and right back up. Bend, lower hips, and up, 30 seconds. Exhale down, inhale up. Good, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower all the way down onto your mat. See if you can place the weight on your shoulder. And your top hand is gonna go right in front of you. So it's gonna be actually kind of on your neck. If that's not comfortable for you, just drop the weight. All right, we have that front hand in front. Float the legs just slightly. Now lift up. Lower, like not all the way, just a little bit. And then right back up. These side crunches. If the weight's bothering you, you can take the weight away. It's just a little bit added resistance. 15 more seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, on the back, come onto your back before we do our other side. You can just stick with one weight. Just one weight, straight up. Reach up toward the toes, double leg V. Unless you want to do single, you can do single. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Just 30 more seconds, then we'll come into our other side. Good, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and time. Point your head in the opposite direction. Other way. We're starting with the arm and leg circles. So you can prop yourself on your forearm, or you could rest your head in your hand, and it's a circle. Circle. Whatever way you initially start going, just stick with that direction. Crunching through the core. Your core will move a little bit, but try to keep it still for the most part. But this is a lot of where we're getting the work in, is trying to just maintain control and focus through that core. 30 more seconds in this direction, and then we'll switch directions. Keep reaching, stretching, good. Nice long limbs. 10 more seconds here, and we're just gonna go the other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go your other way. Just the other direction. 30 seconds. Good, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stretch it out, reach it up. Stretch and reach. No circles this time, just straight up and down, 30 seconds. And then we're going double leg. Or you could just keep doing this one. This one's gonna take it a little bit more into the hip. The double leg is more into the core, but focusing on whatever side that the legs are on top. Good, 20 more seconds. Let that breath help you. Inhaling down, exhaling up. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, try to do those double if you can. 30 more seconds. Then we have the side plank and the side crunch ups. Good. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo. Side plank. See if you can lift that arm up in the air. And then take the weight behind your head as your hips lower. Just 30 seconds. Keep going, 20 more seconds. I'm slipping. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down, placing the weight on your shoulder if it's comfortable, and then holding it with the hand behind you. Take that top hand right in front of the chest, navel area, and crunch it up. 30 seconds. Try not to fully touch the ground and just stay in those side crunches. Good, push through. 20 seconds to go. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Back onto your back. Legs right out long in front of you with your feet flexed. Take that weight, just the lighter one is fine. Inhale, breathe, exhale, bring it all the way up. Tuck the chin into your chest, and then reach forward. Legs are wide. Bring it right back down. Slowly come down. Inhale, reach back. And repeat it. This is our cool down. So it should feel like a stretch, but you're also getting a little bit of core in here. Lower down, inhaling back, exhaling up. Good, just about 2 more all the way through. And then we're gonna stay up, do a few side to side. Go 1 more all the way through. The next time that you're up, just stay up. Reach it all the way over to one side. Lift it up. Reach it back to that same side. All the way over to your other side. Lift it up. Reach that same side. Just alternate. One side up. Other side up. Try to keep your feet flexed so you can get maximum stretch through your hamstrings. Moving at whatever pace is comfortable for you for just about 15 more seconds. Good, finishing up, try to get even on both sides. And then bringing it back to center. All the way up, and good job, great class, you guys did awesome.